Блядь, это какой-то нонсенс. Вот этот абориген, который там лежит, выкинул в окно бутылку, привязал ее веревкой, блядь, и закрыл окно. Долбоёбы.
And here's how wounded North Korean comrades spend their leisure time in Moscow hospitals. They have access to a television, good food, and possibly even access to the internet.
Как дела, скажи? Заебись все? Все заебись. Вот это Кент мой приехал. Ты мой новый друг. Аж глаза шире стали от телевизора. Блядь, это какой-то нонсенс. Вот этот абориген, который там лежит, выкинул в окно бутылку, привязал ее веревкой, блядь, и закрыл окно. Долбоёбы.
A failed Russian attempt to attack Ukrainian positions by a group of infantry revealed Russian fortified positions. After following the survivor, Ukraine managed to destroy their position. Thanks to reinforced batteries and carousel tactics, the pilots spend hours searching for the best targets, delivering precise strikes on the enemy. The result of the work of the Pentagon and Black Swan shock troops. The Black Swan unit is a specialized formation within the 225th Separate Assault Battalion of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. This unit has gained recognition for its daring operations, particularly in medevac missions under hostile conditions. In one notable instance, Black Swan operatives successfully evacuated a wounded soldier while evading multiple Russian artillery shells and drone attacks. Additionally, the Black Swan unit has been active in the Kursk region, conducting strikes on enemy logistics and equipment. A Russian soldier complains that Kherson doesn't like them. I don't want to upset you guys, but all of Ukraine doesn't like you.
Такая вот пиздища, блядь. Ага, блядь. Хуячили две машины. Лазим. Херсон нас не любит. Короче, вот так вот надо. Все весело. Хорошо дронов нет. Ладно, вылезем, выйду на связь.
A Ukrainian serviceman in the Kursk operational zone was pursued by a slow-moving Russian drone equipped with fiber optic communication. Taking advantage of its sluggish pace, he managed to escape and capture footage of the encounter.
Вот так, блядь. Ой, сука. Курская область. Извиняй. Ебать. Пидоры на оптоволокне летают. Ебать. Вот тут я сидів. Я хуй його знаю, ось що зрябом його. Я, блядь, не знаю, як я встиг вискочити. Це пізда. Якось так. Фух. Зі святами всіх.
Russian weapons expert struggles to use what appears to be a trophied Western FNS-CAR automatic rifle.
Одиночный, походу. Сайга, что ли?
Да, это хуй. Дарган.
Ебать.
Клинит нахуй.
А второй нет.
Второй тот же, такой же сам. Да не. Патрон застревает.
Перезаряжает она нахуй. Бля, она грязная, это ж не калаш, блядь.
Ну да.
Короче, залупа это все нахуй. Она не для нашей войны.
Medvedev made yet another disgusting statement on his Telegram channel. Europe must be punished by all means available to us. Political, economic, and all kinds of hybrid means. And that is why it is necessary to help any destructive processes in Europe. Long live the aggressive pogromists on its historic streets. Long live the crowds of migrants who commit atrocities and hatefully destroy the rainbow European values. May all the disgusting faces of European bureaucrats disappear in the stream of future civil clashes. Russian ideologist Dugin. Without Ukraine, Russia cannot become once more the empire.
Without Ukraine, Russia cannot become once more the empire. With Ukraine inside of Russian zone of control, it will become empire once more. That is a kind of law. Nothing personal. This war or military operation, special military operation in Ukraine is about that. It is about geopolitics.
Estonia's navy has launched a naval operation into the Gulf of Finland to protect the Estlink 1 undersea electric cable after its twin, Estlink 2, was damaged in an event authorities are calling sabotage. NATO, along with Finnish forces, are also preparing a response. Lukashenko dreams of a dozen Oreshnik missiles in Belarus. Such statements by the Belarusian dictator appear to be nothing more than fantasies and propaganda, as, according to Ukrainian intelligence, Russia has no more than 10 such missiles in total.
А много комплексов вообще орешников приедет в Беларусь? Вы сколько хотите?
Думаю, что пока десяток, а дальше посмотрим. Если у россиян будет желание больше разместить, мы разместим их больше. Я говорю, что пока 10 комплексов, а потом, если будет желание у Владимировича, и больше орешников.
Ну, 10 ты будешь... Он вас опять на камеру.
С запасом.
The United States is expected to announce that it will send $1.25 billion in military assistance to Ukraine, U.S. officials said Friday, as the Biden administration pushes to get as much aid to Kyiv as possible before leaving office on January. The large package of aid includes a significant amount of munitions, including for the National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems and the Hawk air defense system. It also will provide Stinger missiles and 155 and 105 millimeter artillery rounds, officials said. The officials, who said they expect the announcement to be made on Monday, spoke on condition of anonymity to provide details not yet made public. The new aid comes as Russia has launched a barrage of attacks against Ukraine's power facilities in recent days, although Ukraine has said it intercepted a significant number of the missiles and drones. Russian and Ukrainian forces are also still in a bitter battle around the Russian border region of Kursk, where Moscow has sent thousands of North Korean troops to help reclaim territory taken by Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.